So hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to use our lovely picture again and we're going to look at a different form in Irish. Today we're going to look at the future continuous. So we've already looked at the present continuous, the past continuous in Irish, and I recommend you checking out those videos. Today the future continuous. So let's begin as we normally do with English. So what would an example of the future continuous be? We could say, so we're going to imagine that this picture is a snapshot of tomorrow. Say Dimitri will be talking, William will be eating, Adam and Suzanne will be or won't be in the negative swimming. So in English, again, quite easy, but Irish is obviously going to use that different form. Rather than saying ing, we'll say at. So basically, Dimitri will be at talk. Adam and Suzanne won't be at swim. So we need to find our future form of tá. So the future of tá, the past, if you remember, was bhí. The future is bay. So just like the word coastal bay, bay, that's all it is in Irish. So we want to say Dimitri will be at talk. He will be talking. Bay Dimitri, ag caint. Bay William, ag ithe. Bay Adam agus Suzanne, ag snáb. I'll give you a little word here. Together, le chéile. So two words, le chéile. So Bay Adam agus Suzanne, ag snáb, le chéile. Another useful word for us would be tomorrow, because this is talking about the future. So amárach. This actually, it might sound very different from English, but if you ever heard in English, the morrow in Irish is márach, márach. And two in Irish is normally a. So tomorrow becomes a márach. So Bay Adam agus Suzanne ag snáb le chéile amárach. Bay Dimitri ag caint amárach. Bay William ag ithe amárach. So let's work, that's our positive form. Let's go on to our negative form. So here it's useful to remember the lessons of the present continuous. However, there's one great thing about the future is that there's no double form or dependent form of bay. It's just going to say bay all the time, but we still do have to apply our mutations. So we have ni, so we have to now, because we've used ni, we have to mutate bay. We did this before. If you remember the past continuous, we had to mutate the verb be to make it into the past form. So our bay here is going to become ve. Now you may be asking, why in the present do we mutate the foot? Actually, you know what? I'm just going to leave that. I'm just going to leave that in. So bay becomes ve. Bay, ve. Ni ve Dimitri ag caint. Ni ve Adam agus Suzanne ag snáb. Kind of like not will be Adam and Suzanne at swim. Ni ve William ag ithe amárach. So bay, ni ve. So our question form, if anyone can remember, was on. And our question form, or question word rather, triggers its own mutation, not the softening, but the eclipsis. So we have a B here. A B in Irish is always eclipsed when it needs to be by an M sound. So B becomes M. So on May, Adam agus Suzanne ag snáb amárach. On May, Dimitri ag caint. So bay, ve, and May. This eclipsis, the B being eclipsed by the M, you actually have this in English too. If you think of words like climb, dumb, you can never hear the B because the M is eclipsing the B. It's replacing the B sound. So it's kind of a similar idea. It's not as alien as you might think. And then if we want to make the negative questions, we're going to use knock, and it just works exactly like the normal question word on. So we have to eclipse again. So on May, knock May. So won't Dimitri be talking tomorrow? Nach May Dimitri ag caint amárach. Nach May Dimitri ag caint amárach. Won't Adam and Suzanne be swimming together tomorrow? Nach May Adam agus Suzanne ag snáb le chéile amárach. Won't William be eating tomorrow? Nach me William egehe amarach. So be becomes ni ve, becomes an me or nach me. So be, ve, me. This is one of the trickier things in Irish. It's like you learn be, but then someone says to you ni ve, and your mind has to calculate. Okay, ve, that's actually a form of be, but it comes with time. I've seen many students do a really good job and be able to kind of compute this in ways that I maybe would have thought would be harder than it is, but keep at it and you'll definitely get better at it. If you want to practice, again, I have lessons on Italki you can look up. Otherwise, please leave a question if anything is confusing under this video, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Best of luck. Slán le Chairde.